Welcome to Learn to Write in Different Fonts. Today's episode covers Papyrus. Follow the link in the video description to download a practice sheet and follow along. We'll start by tracing the letters to help break away from your previous handwriting influence. While it's best to use a chisel-tipped pen or pencil, the distinctive shape of papyrus can be acceptably reproduced with a round-tipped pen. Papyrus is a typeface based off of handwriting, but the goal of this exercise is still rigid approximation. Copy the letters slowly and carefully to avoid lapsing into your own handwriting style. It may be hard to keep your copied papyrus as distinct as the original, so take note of the shapes, which can be especially easy to abstract. The O and the Q are not just squished circles. Both harbor a distinctive egg shape. With its elegant but worn appearance, papyrus is often the first choice of those seeking a patina of ancient credibility or benign exoticism. With this appeal in mind, look for papyrus in mid-price restaurant menus and fantasy settings. This latrine is for public house patrons only. Cloak sale this Saturday in Evergreen Shire. 7 a.m., no wizards. Now casting mygreatspell.exe. Let's finish the last part of the worksheet. Due to copyright restrictions regarding the reproduction of typeface names, this must be written by yourself. Now, I'll put my new muscle memories to good use by writing the credits. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.